Assignment. In this video, you will learn how to submit an assignment in Moodle. There are three types of assignments in Moodle. There is a simple assignment, an assignment with marking guide, and assignment with rubric. Let's look at some examples. First, let's look at a simple assignment. We'll click on the assignment. And there it is. We can see the due date, and some instructions for the assignment. At the bottom are several lines in a box showing the status of your assignment. To submit an assignment to your instructor for grading, click Add Submission. This assignment has been set up with two ways to submit the assignment. You can either type in the assignment in the online text box, or you can upload a file through the File Submissions box. Just click the arrow, click Choose File, pick a file from your computer that you want to upload and click Open, and then click Upload this file. The way that you can submit assignment is determined by your instructor. Your instructor may set up the assignment so that you can only submit online text, or your instructor may set up the assignment so that you can only submit a file, or your instructor can set up an assignment so that you can use either online text or a file. When you're ready to submit the assignment to your instructor, click Save Changes at the bottom. Then when you scroll down, you'll see that the status of your assignment has changed. Now let's look at an assignment with a marking guide. Just click on the assignment, and you can see it looks just like a simple assignment with the due date and the ability to add your submission. But scroll down farther. You'll see a section called Grading Criteria. And to the right is one or more criteria that will be used to evaluate your assignment. Each criterion consists of a title, a description, and the maximum score that you can receive on that criterion. In this example, there are two criteria. The first criterion is called complete, and you're expected to have at least 3 paragraphs: an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. And depending upon how well you meet that criterion, You may receive a score from 0 to 50. The next criterion is called correct, and the definition is essay has no spelling or grammar errors. Depending on how you did, you can receive a maximum score of 0 to 50. And now let's look at an example of an assignment with a rubric. Just like the other two types of assignments, there is a due date, a button to submit your assignment, and a status area. Note the part called grading criteria. The assignment will have one or more criteria, and each criterion has a title and 3 performance levels. Each performance level also has a title, a description of a paper that demonstrates that performance level, and the number of points awarded for that performance level. So the first criterion for the paper is complete. And the first performance level is not demonstrated. Essay does not have an introduction and a conclusion. If that performance statement describes your paper, you will receive 0 points. The next performance level is needs improvement. Essay does not have an introduction or a conclusion. If that performance statement describes your paper, you will receive 1 point. Meets expectations. Essay has an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. If that performance level describes your paper, then you will receive 2 points. The criterion correct also has 3 performance levels of not demonstrated, needs improvement, and meets expectations. And there are 3 performance statements that describe how you might do on your paper and the number of points awarded for each performance level. When your assignment has a marking guide or a rubric, you can use the criteria to plan your paper before you write it. Basically, your instructor has already described what a good one looks like. So if you try to follow the criteria, your chances of getting a high score are better.